Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. About the x we put on the right. This one you got about dy. Now we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of y, you got about y squared over 2. The integration of s squared, you got about s to the power of 3 over 3. The integration of sine 3x, you got about negative 1 over 3 cosine 3x, and we put about c. This one we simplify and you got about y squared. Now let's go to the next one. Tan y we put on the left, s we put on the right. This one we got about cosine y dy. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So this one you got about cosine y over sine y. The integration of this one, you got ln of the absolute value of sine y. The integration of s, you got s squared over 2, and we put about c. Now let's go to the next one. We put this one go to the right. Next, we put 1 plus s squared go to the right, y will go to the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of y. The integration of this one, you got about 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 1 plus s squared, and we put about c. This one does is about even power, so they provide about the positive number, so we don't need to use the absolute value anymore. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.